HUAWEI unveiled the Mate 20 Pro and Mate 20 today. The Pro model sets a benchmark in camera and charging technologies, but even the base Mate 20 enjoys the power of Android's first 7nm chipset and a revamped Leica camera. HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro. The HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro stands apart from its sibling with a more advanced screen and camera. We start with the 6.39 curved OLED display with 1,440p resolution and HDR support. The triple camera here is descended from the P20 Pro camera. It combines a 40MP quad-Bayer sensor with f1.8 wide-angle lens, a 20MP sensor with f2.2 ultra-wide lens and an 8MP 80mm f2.2 telephoto camera. The Mate 20 Pro can do macro shots from just 2.5 cm 1 inch. Video gets a helping hand from AI Cinema mode, which can adjust the color tint, saturation, and brightness of a clip to enhance the mood. Selective desaturation can render people in full color upon a black and white background. Speaking of AI, HUAWEI's new chipset, more on it in a bit, is powerful enough to bypass the cloud. It can, for example, detect similar videos and extract sections of them to make a 10-second highlights reel. Back to the camera department, the font features a 24MP selfie camera, f2.0, and a 3D face scanner. Additionally, there's an in-display fingerprint reader that's also pressure sensitive. The Pro is the first HUAWEI to feature the new SuperCharge tech. It pushes a whopping 40 W of power and can fill 70% of the 4200 mAh battery in just half an hour, that's about 2940 mAh. TÜV Rheinland has certified that the tech is safe. Then there's 15W wireless quick charge, which gets the battery from 0% to 30% in half an hour, 1300 mAh. And here's a unique trick: wireless reverse charging can share the phone's juice with other devices. The HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro boasts stereo speakers with an interesting design choice. There's no grill on the bottom, instead the hole for the USB-C port is used. We don't know if this helped or not, but the Pro now has IP68 waterproofing, the P20 Pro had IP67. Interesting tidbits from the connectivity section include dual-band GPS and dual-VoLTE. But wait until you hear about the memory card. Spoiler, it's not microSD. The HUAWEI Mate 20 has a very different screen, a 6.53 flat LCD with 1080p resolution. Another change is the triple camera. It's still ultra-wide, wide and tele, but with different sensors and lenses. The main shooter has a 12MP sensor behind an f1.8 lens. It's joined by a 16MP camera with an f/2.2 ultra-wide lens and an 8MP 52mm f/2.4 telephoto cam. The 2.5 cm 1 inch macro mode and the AI features are available here as well. Alongside the Mate 20 Pro, HUAWEI also launched a cheaper Mate 20 without the face recognition or embedded fingerprint scanner, and a new fitness-focused smartwatch using its own brand Light OS called the HUAWEI Watch GT. These new devices will be of great concern to rival smartphone makers, said Ben Wood, Chief of Research for CCS Insight. The HUAWEI P20 devices, P20 Pro, P20 and P20 Lite, have already grabbed substantial share in key markets such as Europe and Asia/Pacific and have only been prevented from securing share in the US because of the ban on HUAWEI products that occurred in January 2018. Wood said that HUAWEI had shipped 95M smartphones in the first 6 months of 2018, accounting for a 30% year-on-year growth. We believe camera capabilities will emerge as the star feature on these new devices, in particular the Mate 20 Pro. If it can replicate the performance of the P20 Pro, it will further underline HUAWEI's growing status as smartphone camera maker, Wood said.